Welcome to our Lima 1.5 to 2 tons per hour poultry feed pellet production line. A compact, efficient, and fully automated system. The entire setup covers 11 by 9 by 7 meters, perfect for modern feed factories. The process starts with the grinding section. Here, ingredients like corn, soybean, wheat, and other grains are fed into the grinder. Some materials, like fish meal, flour, and premix powders, don't need grinding. They can be added directly through a separate inlet on the mixer, making the process faster and more flexible. Next is the mixing stage. Inside, dual-shaft paddles crush and stir the material evenly. All ingredients are blended thoroughly by powerful paddles, ensuring each batch is uniform and nutritionally balanced. After mixing, the material travels upward through the screw conveyor and enters a large storage bin. This bin provides stable feeding for both pellet mills running at the same time. The mixed material then enters two 400 type flat die pellet mills. Each produces 800 to 1,000 kilograms per hour, reaching a total capacity of up to 2 tons per hour. The hot pellets are carried up by a belt conveyor to the pellet cooler. Using air cooling, it quickly reduces temperature and moisture, so the pellets keep their shape and strength. Below the cooler, an integrated vibrating screener separates the fine powder. Only clean, high-quality pellets are discharged, ready for packing. You'll notice there's no fine dust, just solid, uniform pellets. The production line is equipped with a full electrical control cabinet, allowing precise control of every stage. From grinding to cooling, simple operation, stable performance, and reliable automation for smooth, efficient production. From raw material to finished product, every step of this line is automated, clean, and efficient. A smart, compact solution for modern poultry feed production.